Yes, indeed, YouTube. It is your guy, 7-4 Midwest Bass, and we are back. Yes, indeed. So this is just a quick update to let everybody know that we got our fourth 15 in, Resilient Sounds Platinum 15. This is the 1511. As you can see, this one here came packaged a little bit different. That's the one that we got directly from Resilient Sounds. So it came actually a little better. It actually had the handle with care, which is very much appreciated. As you see, all the others came dented, but that little reminder makes a big difference. So in packaging, when you got things that are expensive, whether they're necessarily fragile or not, this little sticker right here does remind the shipper, the handler, that what is in there is valuable and not to just toss it around. And that is very much appreciated, Resilient Sounds, man. Like I said, I ordered 3 previously from a different site. I ordered this one directly, and as you can see, it came a lot better. So like I said, not too much going on YouTube. For those who've been tuned in, y'all know what's going on. For everybody else, welcome to the channel. We had, as you can see there, that's the older model, American Bass XFL. We had 4 of the newer models, but recently we sent 3 of the 4. So while we're waiting on recombs from American Bass, we got these in, upgraded. Yes, indeed. Also, as you can see sitting over there, the American Bass Godfather 18 also needs a recomb. Soon we'll be hopefully hearing from American Bass on the recombs being in stock. You know, I contacted PSI. They said that they're so booked out, they're not even taking any orders right now, which is crazy. But like I said, anybody that's got any more recommendations for a recomb kit, leave it in the comments, man. Yes, indeed, YouTube, it's your guy, and we out of here, man. I love.